Okay, so for this DMR, it says to evaluate the given problem, then determine the second step. So if we were, again, using PIMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so I kind of took away the pictures that go with it, but if you need it, just go back to the previous slide and it's the same thing. So if it says evaluate this, I need to start solving. So I'm looking for parentheses. Looking. Oh, I see them. Here's my parentheses right here. This 8 minus 5. So I have to write this problem as is except for the 8 minus 5. So I'm going to do 4 squared plus 8 minus 5 is 3 times 4. Okay, so again, looking at this would be considered our first step. No parentheses. I can check it off my list. Now I'm looking for exponents. Remember, you have a base, which is your big number, and then you got a little tiny number that is your exponent. So looking here, now this is my new problem, 4 squared plus 3 times 4. Looking here, do I have a base? I sure do. My 4 squared. So that means I'm going to solve that second. 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. So then I write 16 plus 3 times 4. Okay. So looking at my second step, which is now my new expression, don't see any exponents, so I'm going to put a check over it. Checks over it. Now I'm seeing multiplication and division. Don't see any oh, I do. Never mind. 3 times 4 is my multiplication. So I didn't touch that 16 plus, well, 3 times 4, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12. So I get 12. If I didn't know that, I can click on my X and it'll take me to my multiplication chart. So now all I have is a plus. So I check off my multiplication division, and then I'm going to do addition and subtraction, which I have addition, which 16 plus 12 is 28. So now, since I've evaluated it, I'm done with that. Now I need to determine my second step. So I'm determining my second step. So looking here, step 1, step 2. So what did I do from step 1 to get to step 2? Well, I solved 4 squared. So I would do 4 squared. And that is my second step.